Why should I use BONOSS Hubcentric wheel spacers?
BONOSS wheel spacers are safe and reliable for your truck. They affect your truck's performance positively and solve many problems to make your installation nice and easy. If you use high-quality wheel spacers that specifically fit your truck, there will be no problems. Hubcentric wheel spacers can create a firm and stable wheel connection. It is this compact point that bears the weight of the vehicle. You'll eventually need wheel spacers with integrated Hubcentric rims to ensure safety, to further optimize a Hubcentric connection. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage Hubcentric lips that designed to fit the actual vehicle hub shapes. The Hubcentric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding hub flag. Such BONOSS multi-stage Hubcentric wheel spacers will not change the original wheel fasten method. The wheels are wheel balanced so that there will be less chance of vibration.
That's today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.